how to link PSN to Steam. Now, this is actually very basic and a very easy thing to do. So, of course, the very first thing that you want to do is you must first launch a PlayStation Studios game on PC that supports account linking. This could be an example of maybe Marvel's Spider-Man or Horizon Forbidden West or any games as long as it supports account linking. All you have to do is launch an eligible game, of course, and locate the linking option. Linking option is usually located at the game's main menu, and then you should find an option to connect to your PlayStation Network account. Log in into your PSN, and then the game may display a QR code or provide you a specific link to PlayStation Network so that you will be redirected into the login page. Follow the on-screen prompts and just simply confirm the link. And by there, you should be able to be redirect into your Steam account and it will automatically be linked. And that's pretty much it. It's how you link your PSN or PlayStation Network into your Steam.